new Classic 2024. Sir, you.
Everything safe.
Okay, what's up? I think he did the intro. That's enough. So glad to have my brother Daniel back in frame. He's always too fast to be captured in the frame. But anyway, आज पकड़ लिया इसको.
आज क्लासिक का लॉन्च
आज क्लासिक है. Okay, that actually explains a lot. But ठीक है. अभी बोलो कि ये क्लासिक किस तरीके से स्पेशल है. Like, do you really enjoy vintage motorcycles and what makes the classic stand out?
The colorways that they have, the design language is something that's there common between everything. वो क्लासिक डिज़ाइन, रेट्रो डिज़ाइन वो सब तो सेम है, बट कलर्स वो
भाई,
फील.
अभी ये जो नया कलरवेज 7 कलरवेज में ये एमरल्ड वाला नेक्स्ट लेवल है.
Like there is chrome, there is green.
It's timeless, ना? It's timeless and immortal kind of a
आपको
thing.
पता है मेरे को ग्रीन कलर बहुत पसंद है. यहाँ पे
Khatam. I think that says it all. So you'll find his review on his channel Motobeam,
Jaldi,
and
yes.
yeah, follow Daniel also
yes, thank you
on
so much.
Instagram, my brother.
See you.
Too fast and too furious, sir. And now we go and have a look at the beauty. This is the Classic 350. Just look at the design. Goodness gracious, the lighting is all LED. You have pilot lamps up front, LED headlamp, LED turn blinkers, telescopic forks as always. The spoke wheels shine brighter than ever. Again, a bit of chrome. The emerald green with the stripes makes it look like an immortal time machine that takes you back in time. And nothing even comes close to match the kind of finesse and the classism that defines the Royal Enfield. You have the royal feel to it. I mean, the crowning glory for making Royal Enfield what it is today. You can have a look at the detail, the kind of paint quality and finish. I think this is the better way to showcase it. It's all chrome, and even the rear fender, it is like a royal painting, and even the exhaust remains more or less the same. It's the same J series engine, I believe. Power figures have not been disclosed. Might be the same 20 PS and 27 Newton meters. Dual channel ABS, massive rear disc, twin shock absorbers, and the engine casing has a new kind of element to it. I'll try to feature the other colorways as well. That's what makes it stand out, the 3D badging, and of course massive wheel here. Seat tires, and this is the console here. Now includes the tripper navigation, a little bit of digital console right over here, and of course the analog cluster. The classic touch remains more or less the same. The power switch is right over here. Engine kill switch similar to what we saw premiering on the Meteor. And yeah, E20 compliant. This is the key. But look at the design. Absolutely spectacular in every aspect. Even the foot pegs, as you can see, have a better feel and branding as always. And here is the massive front disc, vibrate disc. And this is maybe a 19-inch front wheel, 18-inch rear wheel. Everything else is more or less the same, so that you can check out. But it's primarily the visual walk around what makes it a true masterclass, a masterpiece, a piece of art, a timeless piece of art that never ages. Okay, this is kind of a desert storm kind of a color, but it has different colorways. You have kind of a sand khaki color and the black color and the red color. It's more of a military theme, khaki based with alloy wheels, tubeless tires, blacked out engine, the classic 350 logo right over here. One among the 7 colorways that have been just launched. This is how the headlamp looks, reminiscent of the Super Meteor and the new Gorilla 450 that we saw. The tail lamp looks like this, and there is the matte black, my personal favorite. It looks kick-ass. This is like the Ghost Rider variant, right? Add a little bit of flaming orange, and becomes the Ghost Rider machine. It looks crazy in matte black. My personal favorite. It's all blacked out engine, alloy wheels, dual channel ABS, single seater. I like to ride solo. I have the 6R in a similar way, and you guys know that. But what is your opinion? Everything is blacked out, even the logo is blacked out, and I'll add the exhaust note as well in this, but that's the black one for you. Do we have a mirror here, or it's more like a transparent frame? This is the kind of desert storm color, a camo kind of a color theme, as you can see here. Another LED tail lamp, but this one is not LED. Regular turn blinkers, spoke wheels, blacked out silencer, classic 350 insignia right over here, blacked out engine, and this is more Signals edition with the signature RE logo right over here. The number, serial number, unique to each motorcycle. Spoke wheels with blacked out rims, pilot lamps that are LED headlamp, but these are not LED blinkers. You don't get adjustable levers. These are the mirrors, standard mirrors that you get, and that's pretty much it. The speedo console remains more or less the same. So that's kind of it for now. I think we will conclude this walk around here with the black color in the backdrop, because that's still my favorite, and I don't know how visible it is. It's very challenging lighting conditions here, and hope it is capturing properly. Here we have sir going viral with, I mean, he's the first to put, इतना जल्दी वीडियोस कैसे बनाता हूँ, एंड वीडियो बनाने के अलावा अपलोड लाइव भी हो जाता है. ये लाइव हो रहा है क्या? मुझे तो लगता है कि ये लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं, क्योंकि सबसे पहला वीडियो इनका ही आता है. बट एनीवे, यहाँ पे एक और भाई साहब है. भाई, आप रॉयल एनफील्ड के फ़ैन है क्या? अच्छा लगता है आपको? कौन सी कलर अच्छा लगा आपको? ये वाला पसंद आ गया. भाई साहब यहाँ से ये बाइक डिलीवरी करके लेके जाने वाले हैं इंशाल्लाह. Hopefully. But anyway, that smile says it all. That's the kind of love people have for the classic. I mean, it's timeless, it's ageless. People dream of owning a classic 350 sometime in their life and pass it on to their generations to come. And as the generations progress, the customization also progresses along with them. Inge Tulsi irkar, number superstar Tamil Nadu. But anyway, jokes aside, the black one still looks the best in my opinion. What do you guys think? Feel free to comment below, let me know. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.